So this is 16,000 square meters. Dito. Katong sapon. Oh, abit ano? Nahali na mga na. So, ano ito? 150 pesos per square meter. Negotiable. So, negotiate pa. Tax declaration. Di pa siya titulado. Di pa titulado. Beside of the Chocolate Hills. So, I think the boundary is the Chocolate Hills. Then if you build a house, so here. So there is a neighbor. Oh, wala man ang balaya. It's part of the property. So apel pa na dito, possible no?
Possible siguro basta kay 1.6 hectare.
Located in Barangay San Ramon man siguro ni, no? Poblasyon. Ay, sorry, poblasyon. Sagbayan, Bohol. All are flat terrain. So water, you need to dig a well, you need. Lindo to na Chocolate Hills. Kung wa tay lingaw murag pwede ra man sa kasakahan siguro sa.
Pwede magkatan.
No? Nanglitan ba? Ha? Kanang nangamatay nga kahoy. So apil ni mga gitawag og hantutok now. No? There is akuan. Nindot ginoon ni kay murag walay makakuan. So there are two Chocolate Hills. So I repeat guys, no, the size na natay papilis ani. We have already the documents. It's tax declaration 1.6 hectare or 16,000 square meters at 150 pesos per square meter, located here in Barangay Poblasyon, Sagbayan, Bohol. So beside of a Chocolate Hills. So if you want to have a Chocolate Hills, so here comes the Chocolate Hills beside. Yung lupa na binibinta natin nandyan lang sa adjacent ng Chocolate Hills. May isa pa doon, no? Then 1.6 is a big property. So pwede kayo mag piggery, poultry or any kinds of crops. So apil paning ko ano, kining mga patay. So dako man gud. Walang neighbor. Way silingan. Walang kapitbahay. So sino yung gustong tumira na walang mga tinatawag na kapitbahay. Ito. Dito tayo guys. Maganda to kasi walang kapitbahay. But it is located in Barangay Poblasyon. Sagbayan, Bohol. Okay, again guys ha. This is 16,000 square meters or 1.6 hectare at 150 pesos per square meter. Located here in Barangay Poblacion, Sagbayan, Bohol. So all are flat terrain and beside of an irrigation canal. So it is beside of a irrigation canal. Sagbayan is just around 1 hour drive from Tagbilaran City, or less than 1 hour drive from Tagbilaran City. So then 30 minutes drive from Tubigon, Bohol Seaport. So this is a good for investment also. A good for investment. So they have already a road right, and there is a bridge. Okay. So beside of an irrigated canal, so walang tubig. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye. So mo ni lipyuhanan lang yung road right, Ubuyo.